This is Casio Edifice EFS-S650D. It's better than PRX, better than Citizen EcoDrive,
and even better than other Casios.
This is the best value for money watch I have ever bought in my life. Let's unbox this bad boy. Inside we have a 2-year warranty card. You can register it online and extend the warranty by 6 months. A manual is also provided. Solar technology information is provided. Now let's unwrap this one. Now let's talk about the main parts. There is a long list of specifications. Solar technology, Quartz chronograph watch. The battery will definitely last 15 years. Ceramic bezel similar to the one you find in the Rolex Daytona. Sapphire Crystal, which you only find in a premium level Tissot PRX and Citizen EcoDrive, which are 3 times the price of this one. The integrated style bracelet made famous by the Tissot PRX and Citizen Soyosa is also included. The date window is placed absolutely minimally. The Edifice branding is very minimalistic here, which I personally prefer as compared to the other Edifice models. It is often much larger. The depth of the solar pattern dial is clearly visible. The chrono dials and sub-dial look very aesthetic. One more thing that will shock you. Chrono hands, which are so tiny, 4 to 5 mm long, Casio manages to put Lume in it. I don't know how Casio manages to do this. If you look at the finish of the hourly marker, it is a diamond cut, premium level finish, which you will only get in a high-end Seikos. The case is beautifully polished and the weight is perfectly balanced. This is the Japanese beauty. It was launched in July 2025. A lot of reviewers don't talk about this hidden gem. I was thinking of buying this watch for the last 3 months and I got a perfect deal. I bought it for just $120, but even at the MRP of $180, it offers a humongous value for sure. Let's talk about the chronograph functions. It has a stopwatch. When you press the A button, the small second hand starts, and this is the minute hand. When you press the A button again, it stops. When you press the B button, it resets. Now let's talk about the solar battery indicator. When you long press the B button for 3 seconds, it shows you the solar battery indicator. And that sweep, guys, it looks absolutely stunning. I bought it in a green one. It also came in a full black version, which I also love, and a blue version also. I already have a lot of blue watches, so that's why I have decided to go with the green one. And I have bought a watch after a long time that truly deserves all the appreciation. I have been a huge fan of Casio for the longest of the time, and this watch justifies this one. It keeps proving that you don't need a lot of money to buy beautiful pieces. My supreme goal for this channel in particular, it is to give you an honest opinion about the genuine watchmakers and their products. If you want to see more beautiful watches from around the world, please subscribe, and if you want me to make a video on a budget watches, please let me know in the comment section. I will make a video on that. Next, we have the internationally acclaimed Casio Duro video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.